Good morning, Mr. Downluck. What issues do you have today?
I want to fire my lawyer.
Okay, please tell me why.
I want a state-appointed lawyer. I have a right to one.
Mr. Downluck, you currently have a state-appointed attorney.
No, I don't. They gave me a public defender. I want a real lawyer.
Mr. Downluck, the public defender is an attorney appointed to you by the state. What specific problems do you have with your attorney?
He hasn't done anything for me. Nothing. I told him this case is bullshit, and he hasn't gotten it dismissed yet.
Sir, you are being charged with armed robbery. This is a serious case that can't just be dismissed.
But he hasn't even done anything. I also told him I wanted copies of all the police reports, all the motions, and all the transcripts from every time we were in court. I need those for my case. I need them right now. I also told him I wanted him to file a motion to destroy the evidence, and he said no. He is not even fighting for me.
Mr. Downluck, it appears as though your attorney has already filed a number of motions: a discovery motion, a pitches motion, a motion to suppress evidence, and a motion for severance. Your attorney has also filed a number of expert witness motions and requests that were granted, which I am sure will help your case.
Yeah, but he's not doing anything for me. He is crazy. I think he is off his medication.
Mr. Downluck, are you saying you are off your medication, or that your lawyer is?
No, my public defender. He keeps telling me that I have a bad case and I should consider the offer they gave me. That's crazy talk. I think he needs medication.
It sounds like sound advice from your lawyer. What other problems are you having with your attorney?
I told him I wanted OR, but I'm still locked up.
Mr. Downluck, you are currently in custody on a serious case which alleges you robbed several people at a taco stand while using a gun. You are also on formal felony probation for a prior gang-related robbery. You have 6 prior felonies and a strike on your record. And after reviewing your rap sheet, I noticed that you had 14 prior bench warrants and 12 failures to appear. It does not look like you are a good candidate for being released on your own recognizance.
That's what my lawyer said. But he's crazy, and he is not working for me. You are also not doing anything for me either, Judge.
Your lawyer already requested OR release for you in the past, and I denied the motion for the reasons I just gave you.
But I have strong ties to the community. I've lived here over 37 years.
Using your mother's house as your mailing address for the Department of Corrections does not count as living here for 37 years.
But I have good ties to the community. I'm an asset to the community.
Your continuous contact with law enforcement in this city does not count as being an asset or give you strong ties to the community.
But I also have family here. I have kids. I need to be out so I can be with my kids.
How many children do you have?
I have 5.
And who is primarily responsible for them? Who is taking care of them while you are in jail?
Well, each of their moms are. But my kids visit me when I'm in jail sometimes.
Do you pay child support?
Well, right now I can't. But I will when I get back on my feet someday.
So you do not pay child support, you do not have custody of your children, and the only times you have seen them is when they visit you in jail. I'm sorry, Mr. Downluck. That is not sufficient to warrant an OR release.
Oh, but I have a job interview tomorrow.
You do?
Yes, I totally forgot about that. I have been trying to get a job for a while and I finally got an interview. I know I will get the job.
What is the job for?
Security.
Wow, that doesn't sound like a good fit for you. Mr. Downluck. Your attorney has already made all of these requests and I have denied them on the grounds I have already stated. Is there anything else that you wish to add about any problems you have with your attorney before I rule on your motion?
Yes, I told my public defender I wanted a program and he didn't get me one.
Mr. Downluck, there are no programs for people who rob others at gunpoint.
But I know this guy who had 3 strikes and was in for shooting at this guy, and he got a program.
Sir, I have no idea what you are talking about. There are no programs for people like that. Is there anything else you would like to add before I rule on your motion?
No, just that I hope you fire the public defender they gave me.
Well, Mr. Downluck, your motion to fire your public defender is denied.
Damn, I wish I had the money to get a paid lawyer. My case would have been dismissed by now.
I'm sure it would have.